Good evening. Tonight I would like to talk about internet basics and internet privacy. And the targets today are to demonstrate understanding of how to use browser tools and settings to protect privacy. For example, private browser windows, clearing search history, and declining to save passwords on shared computers. And then I want to demonstrate an understanding of when it's safe and appropriate to share personal, private, or financial information, recognizing phishing attempts, identified unsecured websites. So I have a question here. What kinds of financial and personal information do you have to keep safe? What can you do to keep your personal information safe? So pause for a minute and discuss that. Okay, and in layman's terms, we will learn to erase your internet viewing history so other people cannot see the websites you have visited. Open a special private window to view websites with more internet privacy, and recognize when websites are safe to share private information with. All right, let me get started. When you use the internet, your computer remembers or tracks every website you go to. This is called history. Okay, so earlier I went to Yahoo, I went to Bing, and I went to the Salinas Adult School Citizenship page. Okay, so now if I go here, if I click on this thing here, the three dots, and I click on history, I go to here. Look at this. Here's the places I've gone recently. Okay, and I can clear this by clicking on Clear Browsing Data. I can get rid of all of that stuff. Also, it makes your computer run a little bit faster when you do that too. So it's good to do that from time to time. Sometimes you may want to keep your internet searches private and you don't want other people to see the websites you have used. If you want, you can delete the history. This way others can't see it. You can also open a new window to prevent the computer from remembering or tracking your history. This is called a private or an incognito window. Okay, so let's see. Let me go here. Click on the hot dog again, and then go to New Incognito Window. The reason people will use this is to look for health issues, planning a surprise, or they want to keep their searches private from someone else. Okay, so if I go to, let's see, Chile. I'm going to Chile. It's a secret. Well, it's actually not a secret, but what is Chile famous for? Things you didn't know about Chile but were afraid to ask. And we go there. Let me close this. And if I look on my history again, I don't see it. There's nothing about Chile here. All right. So please, we have a handout coming. Please ask for the handout. All right, I have one question here. This question you will answer in the next video. But now I would like to ask you, how do you open a window that will not track your history? So please answer that question and move on to the next video.